Grayson's old phone is bedazzled. That was his weight class in wrestling. Going to change the world. Is that? Wait, it's a plastic plate with a glass bowl on it, and in the glass bowl there's one leaf. One salad leaf. And it looks like it has snot on. What does that mean? Very top. What is it? We can't show you that one photo. No, there's too many selfies. There's no point in putting all these. You were never. On the crowd. Did these ever get interesting? Grayson, what? Ew! Swipes out. User now. That's actually awful. If anyone ever said that to me, actually I probably think it's funny. Me it. No!